Welcome to Unit 2 of Programming Methodology, where we will explore constants and variables, fundamental building blocks of C programming. Our journey to C syntax bridges the gap between human logic and machine execution. This involves understanding the language gap, the role of compilers, the vocabulary, and how data like constants and variables are defined. Programming languages allow us to communicate with a computer, translating instructions into machine-readable binary. This communication involves 5 basic concepts: input, output, math, conditional logic, and repetition. Level 1 is machine language, the first generation of programming. It uses binary strings of zeros and ones, is machine-dependent, and is difficult to work with, requiring memorizing thousands of opcodes. Level 2 is assembly language, the second generation. It replaces binary with mnemonics or abbreviations. A MOV instruction, for instance, is easier to remember, but still requires translation by an assembler. Level 3 introduces the high-level revolution. Languages like C and Java offer key advantages: readability due to English-like sentences, portability across different machines, and easier debugging. C programming originated at Bell Laboratories in the late 70s by Dennis Ritchie, designed for the Unix operating system. It is structured, efficient, and portable, allowing compilation for various architectures. Translators like the compiler, used by C, translate the entire program at once, offering faster execution, but reporting errors only after a full scan. Interpreters translate and execute line by line, stopping at the first error. The grammar of C is defined by its character set, including alphabets, digits, special characters, and white spaces like blank space and newline. The building blocks of C include keywords and identifiers. Keywords are 32 standard reserved words with fixed meanings. Identifiers are user-defined names for program elements like variables and functions. Rules for constructing identifiers include using alphanumeric characters and underscores, starting with a letter or underscore, being case-sensitive, and not using reserved keywords. Constants are named data items whose values do not change. They are categorized into integer, floating point, character, and string constants. Variables are memory containers, named locations where values can be stored, accessed, and updated. Key attributes include name, type, value, and memory address. Declaring a variable involves specifying the data type and variable name. Initialization assigns a value. Declaration and initialization can be combined in one statement. This sample program demonstrates variable declaration, initialization, and logic to calculate and print the sum of two numbers, illustrating the concepts covered in this video.